wanna see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you but we alone. Been through the storm, when the rain is on, we saw no one.
So guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yo, look at my eyes, I'm so tired. Currently washing up some dishes, you know, because we're about to leave in a couple hours. It's like 7:44. We're leaving here, I think, around 10 something. 10 something, I think we're leaving. Got a text message this morning saying that our flight is delayed. So we're still leaving the same time just because you never know. But this is the thing, things are always changing. I'm also packing like some little stuff for now, like some fruit stuff. Make this a little brighter. There we go. Yeah, so I'm just packing some little stuff for Nyla to carry in her carry-on bag. I wanted to show you guys quickly this package that I got from Ana Luisa. Shout out to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. They sent me some jewelry, which I'm actually going to be wearing today. Well, probably just going to be wearing the earrings, but I just want to show you guys real quick. So this is the box that it came in, and I got a little like thank you card. Tell me this isn't cute though. I've never seen packaging like this. It's actually really unique. This is how the packaging came. It's so cute. I like it. Let me show you quickly what I got. So I got this little bracelet. It's just like, so I personally love gold. So all the pieces that I got were gold. So I got this little bracelet that I'm actually going to ask Ziggy to put on for me. It's just a simple little bracelet. Actually, maybe I could put it on myself. Actually, I'll ask Ziggy to put it on for me and show you guys. So then I got these cute little gold earrings that I'm going to throw on. Super cute. And by the way, I will link everything. All the direct link to these items will be in the description box down below. So the quality is really nice. It gives off that real quality. I also got this bangle. It looks a little small, but let's see. Oh no, it's perfect. So I'm actually gonna put this on with the bracelet. So I can take this off. So I got this little bangle, and you can like tighten it to how tight that you want it. So I got this. The quality is so nice. Like this reminds me of a bracelet that I had before it broke. Didn't even have time to fix it. So this is perfect. I also really like the fact that it has like this link. So it has like extra links here so you can adjust it, which I really love. Usually like the bracelets that you buy from the jewelry store, they don't have that. So this is, oh my god, I can't do this with nails, holy crap. So I'm gonna pair these two together and then I'm gonna wear them down. Super cute. And I gotta ask Ziggy to fix that one for me. And then the last piece that I got was this simple gold chain. So if I don't want to wear my real gold chain on the when I'm on my vacation, I can throw this one on, and it's like a nice yellow gold. And this is the link. So yeah, so this is how it looks. Yeah, the quality is really nice, like I said, and I just love I love the fact that you can I can pair them with my real jewelry, which is really nice. So if you guys are interested in any of the pieces that I'm showing you guys, or I don't know why I keep looking at the viewfinder. If you guys are interested in any of the pieces that I showed you guys, or you guys want to see other options that they have tons of options, super affordable, and they have something for everybody. You guys can check out my description box down below, and you guys will find a direct link to the website and the direct link to the pieces that I have. Boom. So now I gotta go finish getting ready because, yeah, I'll be right back. Nyla is still sleeping. I didn't wake her up yet. It's 8:19. Mama. Mama. Nyla, we're going to Jamaica. Okay, that was a fail. I'll just leave her to sleep a bit more. So guys, now we are finally, officially can say we're on our way to the airport. We actually, what, like 2 hours ago? We were on our way to the airport, and then I got a notification on my phone saying how our flight was. Hi. Oh
I'm playing this game, and this girl's so silly. This one. Look at this game. This game is really amazing. Oh!
Can I talk now? Yeah, our flight I got something on our phone saying our flight got delayed, but then it went from like departing at 5:09 to 4:38, and I'm noticing that the time is going back. So I'm like, let's just go just to be safe. So that's what we're doing. WestJet just owes me money. That's all they better know. Because my driver, aka my father, was about to fall asleep. Right, Daddy?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So that's what we're currently doing. We're finally, officially on our way. I know you guys are excited for the Jamaica vlog. Yeah, I know. And I
more exciting.
Yeah. Nyla, right? I know. And I know I also said that we were gonna do Vlogmas, but we're not.
USA.
USA square?
Yeah, Netherlands score 1.
I'm kind of behind on that, so you guys bear with me because I had to work and everything just kind of just caught up on us really quick. But we're listening to the news and stuff in the car. We're driving down there, so when we're at the airport, we'll check you in. It's Ziggy acting like he's not excited for me.
I'm tired.
I know, I'm tired too. No one told you to go to bed at 4. I swear I heard Dippy at like 4 or something.
Mommy?
Not Ziggy forgetting his carry-on luggage. I'm joking. So guys, we checked in. We were this close to having issues because they said we had too much suitcase, but actually we were correct because we're doing humanitarian. Yes? Stomping? Nala can't wait. But anyways, we checked in our luggage and all that stuff, and right now we're about to. So wait. You know what? When I
come back again.
Come back and rewind and come again. We got dropped off here. So guys, we're unloading the car, and I'm looking and I'm like, we're missing a carry-on luggage. So if you got a carry-on luggage, call my bro-in-law, and I'm like, bruh, what's going on? Like, did we forget a luggage at home? Forgot a freaking luggage. So Shauna's actually bringing it. It just so happened that our flight is actually delayed, so it kind of worked out. So I don't know if that's God's working or what, but that's what's going on. And then my dad was about to drive off. Ziggy, we forgot Ziggy's like personal luggage, and hold on.
That's a bill?
Put it there.
What's the bill?
Well, lift the bin, Ziggy. Lift it. Put it there. Yeah. Yeah.
Good to go?
They're gonna, I think they scan it. Yeah, so Shauna's on her way right now to bring us our luggage. Yeah? Do you want to take this one too?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so Shauna's currently on her way to bring us the luggage that we forgot. And the funny thing is, it's not even funny, it has all of Ziggy's.
Yeah, man.
We're good?
My thing, man.
Thank you. Let's go.
Go. Okay.
Come, Nyla.
Bye.
Yeah, so Shauna's bringing it right now, so now we have to kind of linger around here until she comes. But it's like well festive in here, Christmas tree, everything.
Nyla.
Does she want to sit up here? Not in there. Her, you take off the bag. Put her up here. I don't want her to fall.
take off.
Just as it says, look, no kids. See, I
Okay,
don't
go
have
walk.
It says no kids. My bag, I don't want to fall. Move that, let's. Yo, even when we're coming, this girl's like, whoa, where are you guys going? Because supposedly Jamaica only allows each passenger to have, only allows each passenger to have 2 suitcases, but because we're doing the whole humanitarian, that's why we kind of got through. I'm just hoping and praying that when we go to Jamaica, we don't have any issues, because that's what I'm kind of nervous about. Because you have some of the custom people there that are nice, and then some of them are just extra, like real extra. Nyla is so excited, she's like here screaming.
I'll be more excited.
Literally like screaming in the place, yeah? Now we gotta wait for Shauna. Ziggy, I'm gonna run to the washroom. Right here, there's one right here. You wanna come with me?
Go.
Come. Come. No, we're not going home. We're gonna go on the plane, but we have to wait. So excuse me.
Yeah, boo. Yo, I'm tired of fret. Like, last night, my boy come give me a link dippy. Me and the G dip on the block and go on the easy back. You know, not even could have cut. I just make it dog go say, watch you know. We just go on easy. Yeah, I'm going to like one spliff and go on while I vibe still about after 3. After 3 them time, then I touch it and go sleep. By the time 7 o'clock, I have to just jump up but can't get on. So yesterday, yesterday I supposed to change the tire them on the car, but you end up that's Nisha go do her nails them and go do her ear and stuff. But then she get caught up in a liquor thing there, which part? Oh Lord, it's Shauna. Oh. It's Shauna, yeah, boy. It's Shauna, yeah, boy. Hello.
There's
How much?
Huh?
How much? How much? What's the cost?
Jamaica ticket.
Alright. There's what?
There's something there.
Oh no. No, no. Thanks. Oop. Alright, later. Yeah, so we left the suitcase, so we just get the suitcase and also we are gonna make a next flick. Movements, no joke. Yeah, so don't know.
Shout out to Ziggy for forgetting the suitcases.
As usual. And
Ready, baby?
yeah, I guess this is it.
I think I can
See
push
me,
this
so we are gonna make a
iPad
move
and
now.
sit there.
I throw on two bag over my shoulder. And so,
We have to leave this.
yeah. So you check in back, we don't know.
Once we're...
Probably them time there. Yeah,
No, but
settings.
checking over there, our flight.
Oh yeah, so I'm gonna get
we
something
gotta
to
go.
eat and something too.
We're gonna go get the plane.
Check in back, we don't know real quick.
As I was saying,
So,
yeah, Shanghai 360 in the airport is probably the worst one I've ever had. I literally just wasted $18. I don't even know what that was. And then Ziggy went go pick up a dumpling soup.
I know, I try me one try. But no dumpling there.
I want the bowl.
Yo, it's not the dumpling soup I'm seeing. You know?
But you chose beef.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what
But I don't know why I don't.
It doesn't even taste bad. Okay, this is what it looks
You
like.
taste it already?
I just taste off the spoon. If not, I just want the bird to wrap it up. When she on the plane, she needs it. Yeah, I never buy these type of soups.
Honestly, honestly,
The aftertaste.
honestly, I just want something warm.
And the noodles.
Here.
Yeah, eat it.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama, eat because you're already hungry on the plate. Oh, listen. Actually, maybe we should go over there, right?
Yay, now I can open the
You
fries.
got this? Which paper? This too? Everything that's garbage, just dump it. It's yummy, right?
You dump it. I dump yours.
You dump it.
I dump yours.
I dumped yours. Where?
Ah!
I didn't even take that in.
Mommy, I just do like
Put the
this.
pepper sauce in. Mama, we're gonna go over there where the plane is so we can see when it comes.
Are we going?
Yeah, where the plane is.
Eating.
Eating?
My car in the plane.
You can hold it. I'm gonna find chairs over there. Are you excited?
Yeah.
How excited are you? 3? Or are you like a lot?
Only 3.
Only 3? Why are you excited?
Because I'm only 3 and now old. I'm old enough so I can be only 3. No, I turn this one. So I'm still bigger.
I don't think you understand what I'm asking you, but it's okay. I know you're excited because you've been this girl has been screaming the whole time in the airport.
Because, Mommy.
Watch Ziggy.
Ziggy.
Watch Ziggy. Watch him. Can't leave out his football, you know?
I keep Daddy's watching.
You know how much people message me and say Argentina now go no way. Well, no,
Are they winning?
no.
Are they winning now?
Yeah. Ghana next round.
It's I don't really know much about soccer, so it's one of those things where you just have to go with the team that your husband's going with, because if you go with the opposite team, it's going to be war. Yeah, we're still waiting for our flight. It is 3:27. We're still waiting. Still await. Oh yeah, as I was saying earlier, we legit wasted money on food. Ziggy said he wanted some.
I just wanted
He wanted soup, but why would you even think to try that soup? And you got beef soup.
Like, I've been a year about this soup business.
But I don't think it's that one.
And they have dumpling soup. like they bite the dumpling and the soup, the inside I dumpling too. You ever see that?
No, but I don't think that's. I don't think it was that one.
But I think any one of them sell them same.
So when I went up there, I was just like, what kind of soup do you have? And there was like a shrimp one, but Zeke go buy beef.
Yeah, you know, but love me, man. Me just want dumpling soup. That me want to try.
Yo, guys, my wrist is actually killing me. Like, it's hurting me so bad. And I picked up my brace. Asked me if I could find it. Can't find it. Like, even this, leaning like this hurts. It feels like it's strained. Ugh. I'm so mad because I'm trying to find Starbucks and I can't find it. I think it's on the, I think we passed it. Anyways, I got some work to do on my laptop. So I'm gonna I'm gonna do that. Actually, let me start editing my vlogs.
But she's someone in the back.
Someone's in the back.
And I see what's on. Ow!
Tell them, what did you eat? What did you just eat? Not the Oreos. You ate the rice, but you didn't like it?
I don't, because of water.
Show them your nails. Show them your nails. Who did your nails?
Kiki did my nails.
Kiki didn't do your nails? So who did your nails?
Nobody.
Nobody?
I'm going to peace side, so after.
It's right here.
Hey, say big up Auntie Kiki.
Nope.
After me cat, come up in my face.
Sorry.
After me cat, Nyla go do her ear, right? And Nyla done do her ear. Nyla was like, so. I said, so now we go to the next appointment. I'm like, what? It's like, yeah, I have to go do my nails now. I'm like, yeah.
And now I had to.
Are you gonna do your makeup? Good.
Anyways, guys, I'll check in back with you guys. Cause I'm gonna actually start editing some videos. So BRB.
Hi. It's garbage.
Yeah, it's a garbage.
It's stinky.
Come, I'll go all the way down.
Right here?
No, it's like all the way over. Yeah, no, it's right here. It's right here. Come this way.
Someone dropped the food.
Yeah. Let me see your mouth. Is your mouth dirty? Yeah, so that's the plane right there.
The big one?
Yeah. Our plane just landed. Plane land. Yes, the plane land. Huh? You like what?
It's dizzy. Look, see?
Yeah?
See, it's making me all dizzy.
Oh, it's making you dizzy? Oh, when you look at it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a big plane?
Ow!
Don't put your mouth on the mirror, okay?
It's a plane and look, I have a straight thing.
Okay, come, let's go this way. We're gonna go on it soon, okay?
Let's go now. Someone dropped that food.
Yeah, someone dropped the food. Wait, Nyla. Where are you going? Go. Nyla, it's cold, mama. Stay here, stay here. Are you excited? Are you excited? I know it's cold, you have to wait. You're gonna fall?
You're not gonna fall, Mama. You excited?
I'm doing this.
You're
Yeah.
gonna do this?
So guys, we are on the plane, Nyla! Hey, 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 hey.
Mommy, what are so many friends we have?
Yeah, and there's Ziggy done.
We need to
So after our flight being delayed for like how many hours, we are finally on the plane. I am so tired. I've been trying not to sleep just so I can sleep on garbage. So I can sleep on the plane. And Nyla didn't sleep yet, so she wants to knock out. Woof.
I'm okay, Mommy. I don't need it.
You
Mommy,
don't-
look.
Do I take off anything?
I think you just put it in there.
Sure.
Yeah.
Wait for
Yeah. All right, we'll call you when we reach. I'm just trying to like organize myself in the seat. Yeah. All right, bye. Okay, don't finish them because we're gonna have beer memories. I think I only bought 3 packs.
I can see it.
Yeah, show them, show them. Oh, you can see me in that picture
You
too.
turn it on. Just leave it.
Yeah.
I can see it.
Ha! Hey! Hey! We bumped into one of our subscribers.
Hi.
She's well excited. We'll see you. So we just bumped into one of our subscribers.
Shout out, shout out, shout out.
What are you doing?
Fun and like that. Look at it.
Oh, yeah.
Look.
What's crashing?
Flash, 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 flash. Flash, 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 flash.
Hey, look. You got it.
Let me see. I'm dead. Look at my face. I didn't know I was gonna get catching that one.
Memories.
Mommy, fly. Mommy, you know this song?
Nella,
This one's cute.
yo, we have to go teach you if you hold on your voice.
Okay, now you're on the plane. You have to whisper, okay?
Wait, you hear that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, I guess the next time we'll see.
Hi.
Actually, no. I'll come back on in a bit. I'm just gonna organize ourselves up in the seat and everything. So.
Daddy, look.
All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby. Undress you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't
to get the car. We finally reached. Holy smokes. And not only that, we get dig up by customs. Not like we didn't know what was gonna happen. As soon as they see how many suitcases we have, it is hotter than a mother. Hot. The breeze feels nice. But yeah, big up you guys.
Oh my God, yeah man.
Where are you?
Man, you know, say last time I come and make yeah man, I think you know, I get a thing. Apologize, yeah.
Yeah.
You remember that?
Yeah.
The counter.
Yeah.
Yeah, see blood them.
It's not blood, it's like beetroot. Yeah, he went to go get it. Thank you.
Yo, we're grateful, yeah?
Yeah, big up your guys' self.
Yeah man, beautiful family.
Thank you.
Hello.
Nyla, look.
Respect my boss.
Look, Ziggy. I mean, Nyla. Show him the thumb one. Go show him the thumb one. Yeah.
Yeah man.
But yeah, we're here. Ziggy. This Popo.
You're in
How you feel? Nyla, you see the police? See the police as different than ours? No, that's not Lauren. But yeah, as I was saying, customs did dig us up, but he was really nice about it. He wasn't rude about it. But we already knew it was gonna happen because from the lady even looked, she's like, she looked at her suitcase, she goes, how many suitcase, what'd she say? How much people are traveling?
Yeah.
Or and what's in the suitcase? Like it's Christmas time, we're doing a give back. Not that we didn't know what was gonna happen. I know someone did give me a heads up, but we were kind of ready. He went to get the car.
He's coming now.
We were already like prepared for it, so.
You see me?
Airport empty too, holy. If you guys are ever trying to fly out, fly in the night because it is empty. All I know is right now I'm hungry, I'm tired. Ziggy, to how you were laughing, I thought Polly came too.
Right, just now?
Yeah, I thought they...
No, because me I walk, I come around and look out there so to see man. And the man turn up there so they look for me, so I see him. So I look proud and you see that?
But yeah, Nyla's been like, from her on the plane, she's like, where are we? When are we going to Jamaica?
How much more sleep to Jamaica?
I'm not going to sleep anymore.
You're not going to sleep anymore? Your father and I are tired.
Mommy, how much do they have?
We're here.
Yeah, nah, again.
Where's Polly?
Look at the airport, well infested.
Oh, see that?
Not only that, my hand's so itchy.
Lauren is coming, he's coming over there.
We're gonna go to her. We're gonna go to her.
Take that, yeah.
How you know which one's his? The white one?
Alright.
Whoa, that scared me. How do you do that? How do you do this? Can you do it again?
Do what?
You just like that. That's on.
Nyla, where are you? Aren't you gonna tell me how excited you are? Bro, Ziggy, I legit thought we were about to pay something, eh? The way how he was acting at first, I was like, okay, so you're saying we're gonna have to pay?
I don't see Lauren.
Extra money.
He was being extra. He was being extra.
Oh, yeah, thought you.
Yeah, at first it was kind of, but he did educate us, which was nice, so.
Because that's why family say him attack, call me and say, you good.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I say, oh, yeah. Start doing good and say,
I don't see
Yeah.
Lauren.
That's what I'm saying. Yo, the police number is so extra down here. Yeah.
I don't see
With all the flashing lights.
Look, Nyla. Anyways, guys, I'll tune back in with you guys because we need to.
Guys, I don't find Lauren.
The breeze is so nice though. It's so cool and it feels nice.
Daddy!
Ready to go beat? Let's go jump right now.
Mommy!
I swear, if we didn't have Nyla, we would have done that. Yeah.
Mommy, have same white.
Yeah. Everybody wear whites.
Yeah. Same white. No, wall.
No, never.
I don't see Lauren.
Yo, I can't believe after 2 years we're in the place. Holy.
I don't see Lauren.
I don't see, not Lauren, Lauren.
I don't
It's
see
technically Lauren.
Lauren, yeah.
I don't
Yo, guys, we'll check back with you guys in a bit. We're about to load up everything. Jamaica Vlogs officially. Jamaica, Jamaica.
God.
Oh, there's Lauren.
Oh, see them on the right side. Okay.
Bruh. Let me drive if you don't remember, Ziggy.
Left side.
Jamaica, Jamaica.
How was the flight?
Guys, we are our first stop. As you know, as soon as you touch Jamaica soil,
Food.
you have to come to KFC. If you don't come to KFC, what are you doing? Your vacation does not start. Real KFC chicken. Yeah. Yo, something blew in my eye. Might as well say hi. We've seen her at the airport, yeah. Wait, we went to the I forgot what I was just saying. Yeah, we went to the drive-thru, but we're inside now because the line looked the same. So guys, this is Lauren, one of Ziggy's like OG.
Yeah, real G, real OG.
So you guys we'll be seeing more of him throughout the vlogs for sure.
Yeah.
Now you don't want food? Of course you don't.
Mommy, look at this.
What?
Where?
Where's Lauren going?
Come, Ziggy. This is the one thing with the service down here. It's always slow. So we're going to the drive-thru because the drive-thru is moving faster. Ugh. Down on the round one.
You see, we'd have probably taken it for it.
Lauren,
Yeah, bro.
I don't just like this.
Yeah, we're going to take off the clothes and put on our shorts.
Right? I just want to go home and take a shower. You hear the plane, Nilo? Look, the plane. Look up, look up. Up, Mama, right here. See the plane? You're saying wow and you don't even see it. Nilo's scared. Look, go to Daddy.
Turn on the camera. See ya. Party! Nisha, you say I go shake up your bam bam. You didn't want too much breeze tonight. Yeah, man. Outside. Outside the party, they pan over here, sir. Yeah, man. You there? Feel like, come make you tap on Nisha and go over there. A joke. A joke. Hey! Wow. So wala na building below, back the building niya, sir? A new building na? That a liquor out something, right? Yeah. I'm down. What? Yes, baby? Where's your face? Oh yeah, I can see you. You okay? Are you? What the? Oh, no, see that a while ago, no? Oh, okay, na jet, yo. Oh, pipe bus are Aryan. Wow. Yeah, but why you know, you could make your pass and then. Want to see over there, my bush here? Oh. So see, chop brought down in a. Hold them. Chop brought down from the corner. Somebody look like a blame a while ago. Booger. Dog the boat, no? Really idiot, you know.
Well, good boy, what you can't compare someone. I'll tell you you're about you something.
Bro, why you look so big, yo?
I know.
Bro, why you always crying? Stop crying.
Why are you scared?
I get funny, oh God,
Why are you crying? Why are you so big? You're taller than me.
come here, mother. You see me like a foreign. I love you so much. I miss you so much, man. I love you so much. Wally.
You send me the call phone and you don't answer.
Oh,
7 o'clock.
I know.
Daddy.
Oh.
You send me all of the other tidy up and start tidy up some of the place and they say, alright, tomorrow morning.
Mommy. Mommy, look. What's going on you?
You say hi to Polly?
Hello, we killing her. Hi, Nile.
Huh? Polly, from we're at the airport.
Yes.
All we hear is, "Where's Polly? Where's Polly?" We come, we land. She goes, "This is not Polly. Where's Polly?" So we're like, "You're in Jamaica. We're going to Polly every second." Is this Polly house? Is this Polly house? How much longer? Yeah, girl, take off your shoes.
Yeah.
Careful.
Mommy, take your shoes off.
Yeah, I'm going to for Polly custom.
No.
I told you it's the camera. Yeah, you have to watch your step, okay?
Yo, so see they just reaching. They don't know to see. Come meet your lady and meet Sasha Gay. But get it. KG3. So as one they say we not get no food on the road, we are trying to get piece of chicken feet and can't get nothing for reaching late, literally 12 o'clock. So right now I go cook some tin mackerel and rice. We just want some food in our belly till the morning. You know? So that we are going.
You know, see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you but we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone.